Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we decided to use Whole Foods delivery for the first time ever. Um, so a couple key notes to know. They charge an upmark fee in case things cost more. So for example, our bill was $145, but they charged me $160. And I guess after the order's placed and they get the correct number, you somehow it works. I don't know. Somehow it works that way, and you're only charged what it really is. But just in case, I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, we're trying it for the first time. One thing I noticed, the food's more expensive, but it is more healthier stuff versus if you'd go to the grocery store. And you don't have to deal with people driving. It's great for me, especially because I do, I work at home. So every second is a second gone that I could be working on YouTube and making videos and stuff. So we're testing it out right now. We're going to see how it turns out. I'm actually watching the guy right now, so on my camera, and it's very interesting. You guys will see the footage because I have it turned on, but it's very interesting to see and simple. He just dropped it off on the door step on our porch, and now he's took a picture and he's headed out. So yeah, I ordered this morning and it came. Let's say I placed the order probably around 7:30 a.m. and it came at what time? 1:40 p.m. So same day, and he's gone. So I'm gonna go get it. All right. But I wanted to do it just for fun to check it out and see. So if you're wondering how frozen stuff comes, it's, I believe, in this bag. So yeah, all of our frozen stuff is in a plastic bag. Everything else is in paper bags. And yeah, it's all in there. So we're gonna check, make sure we got everything, but yeah, it's kind of cool. So I will also say that you're alerted on your phone that your delivery's coming and that it's been delivered. And so if you get anything frozen, make sure you're around or gonna be around by the time they deliver it, or your stuff's gonna be setting out. So keep that in mind. But so far, it's pretty cool, pretty awesome. We'll see how much I'm charged in the end, but pretty cool. And another update. So I was a little worried about some of the stuff getting, because you're not there in person, so you don't exactly know what you're getting, so you kind of go by the price and the ounces, and only then you're kind of guessing. But I can honestly say some of this stuff, for example, like I got turkey burgers, and it was expensive. I thought I was getting two, but I wanted turkey burgers, and it turns out I think there's 6 in here. So yeah, there's there's four turkey burgers. And I was thinking I was buying 2. I thought, well, they're a little expensive, but I'll get them. But now I'm getting 4. Man, I would have ordered more if I would have known that. So it's hard to gauge some things, but so far I'm happy. I'm very happy. I mean, holy cow! You guys got to see this. Look at this salad. Look how huge this thing is. Wow, I'm super impressed. A lot of the stuff that I got, I tried to go with the lowest price but the highest ounces of stuff, but dictating from a photo, man, I'm getting a lot. Honestly, the more I'm looking, the more I want to do this again for the future.